This video is on a 900 series, 900B, A, MS, SS, SL, on how to use the accumulation feature. So currently we're set up with a printer, and the only thing you have to do for a printer is hold and print, move over left, move right, press tear to go down, and make sure C18 is set to 2, you could up and down, and then C19 is set to 3. This is for the 412T the normal one, ticket printer. Also works with the L2 printer. If you had the L1 printer, that would be different setting. So you have set up your printer. So now to actually start accumulating, you're at 0 right now. So add weight. So add your first axle. You can see you have 3014. Press the Accum button or the total button. See N001, that means my first axle, my first accumulation. So go to the next one. You have to go back to 0. And let's say it was like 2 or 3 pounds. You can always press the 0 button and then add the second axle and then press the Accum button. You see N002. So go back to 0, move the weight, now put the next axle on. So you press Accum, you see N003. So now I've accumulated a total of 3 axles, and per axle you'll see a ticket keep printing out because it's going to print per axle. But let's say now you want to actually accumulate the total amount. So you hold on the Accum and total, or Accum or total, and print at the same time. So N003. So you see it flashing between 2. And to actually print total, you just hold down the print button. So I'll show you a ticket now. You can see the date, time. When it did the first axle, print first axle, and print second axle, and third axle, and this is the total amount. So to actually get out of the accumulation mode, because you just start to keep flashing between 2, hold down the Accum or total button. So you can CLRN. So I want to get out. If you don't want to get out, just press print now. But if you want to get out, CLRN, change that to the 0 button, make it to Y, and print. So now I'm back in gross mode. You know it previously was in total mode. Now it's back to gross. So there's no normal weight mode. I can normally print. But that's how you print to the 412. With date, time, it will print per axle, and then the total when you hold on the printed end. And if you want to use something more custom, let's say you don't want like this, print each axle, date, time, and then have a total. If you want something special where it has your logo, your company name, your address, maybe a barcode or QR code if you want it, we do have the L2 printer on this end over here. And the L2 printer could, and this is very important, connect the 900 to a computer. We write custom software where you can have your custom date, time, axle 1, axle 2, axle 3, however many axles you typically weigh, with a total of what it is. So instead of having it on a small piece of paper like this, you can have it on a big label like this. These are sticky labels, so you can stick them on something. And you could have your custom information, and the computer will display each axle if you want, and then the total at the bottom. Or if you just want just a total but you still want your company information on here, you can make custom labels just for you.